Is the economy on the brink of a seismic shift? Could we be on the precipice of a capital rotation event? These are the questions that linger in the air, like a storm cloud on the horizon. Capital rotation events, or CREs as they are often referred to, are major shifts in the financial landscape. They occur when capital moves away from the stock market and floods into precious metals, primarily gold. These events are rare, occurring roughly once every 20 years. In the last century, we've seen just 4 such events in the 30s, the 70s, the turn of the millennium, and potentially right now. During these CREs, gold doesn't just hold its own, it outshines the stock market significantly. It becomes the standard against which investments are measured, usurping fiat currency and stock market indices from their throne. And what of silver, that oft-overlooked sibling of gold? The speakers suggest that silver typically outperforms gold once the stock markets have bottomed out following major corrections. The gains here can be staggering, potentially exceeding 400% over a 5-year period. What does this mean for the stock market? The outlook is sobering. After a CRE, it could take anywhere between 8 to 25 years for stock markets to make new highs in nominal terms, and even longer in real terms. The speakers draw a correlation between accelerations in government debt and the onset of recessions in gold bull markets. This perspective offers a fascinating lens through which to view market cycles and precious metals investing, suggesting we may be entering a major bull market for gold and silver. As for price forecasts, there's the potential for a short-term pullback in gold prices to the $2,700 to $2,800 range. However, a subsequent rise could see prices soaring to between $8,000 to $12,000 over the next 5 to 8 years. Silver prices could also experience a short-term spike to between $38 to $50 and could eventually exceed $100. The speaker's focus is on ratio charts, such as gold versus the S&P 500 and gold versus silver, and momentum indicators rather than absolute price levels. They utilize a variety of technical indicators, including moving averages and Ichimoku clouds. And what of Bitcoin, the digital upstart that has been making waves in financial circles? The speakers are somewhat bearish on Bitcoin in the context of a CRE, suggesting it has historically tracked with stock markets rather than gold. Only time will tell if it will disconnect during this rotation. In conclusion, capital rotation events are rare but potentially powerful market occurrences. They signal a shift of capital from stocks to precious metals, and if the speakers are correct, we may be on the cusp of such an event. The potential impact on gold and silver prices as well as the wider economy could be significant. This is a perspective worth considering as we navigate the ever-changing waters of the financial world.